Hello kiddos, today you are going to use the textured papers that you made yesterday to create a tree collage. So you're going to start by cutting the brown piece of paper that you made on one of the squares out so that you have it to make your tree. You're going to cut pieces from the brown piece of paper to make the trunk of the tree to start. You're going to glue that into the middle of your paper. Then you are going to make some smaller branches out of the rest of the paper. Make them a little bit thinner because as the branches go out, they get thinner, and a little bit shorter. And you're going to spread your tree out on your paper so that you have lots of room to put leaves. You can start like this, and then you can make some smaller branches that go out a little bit thinner and a little bit shorter. And again, you're going to just put those onto the ends of your other branches, or even like that. Keep spreading them out as much as you can. Make a nice full tree with all of your little branches that you are making. And then after you have made your branches, you're going to use the rest of your pieces of paper to make your leaves. I'm just going to put a couple more branches on. Really make that a nice full tree. Okay, and then I'll show you how to make some leaves to put on. So I'm going to take my textured paper and I'm going to turn it over, and I'm going to use a pencil, and I'm going to make a nice wide curved line like a frown, and another nice wide curved line like a smile, and then I'll have a nice leaf shape. Now I don't want to make them too much like a U shape, because if I do that, then it'll look more like a circle. You don't want to make it look like a circle. Okay, so then you're going to cut out your leaf shape, and the closer to the edge of the paper you draw your leaves, the easier they're going to be to cut out. Okay, and then you're just going to start putting those leaves all over your tree to fill it up and make a nice full tree. And then once you have filled up your tree with all of these fun, colorful leaves, okay, all over the place, then you are going to ask for a piece of green paper like this, and you're going to make a texture on this green paper by making little slits all the way across like this. And just at the very top of the paper, not all the way through. You don't want to cut them off. put some glue just at the bottom, and then put that at the bottom of your blue paper. Kind of lift the grass up like this, and you get a little bit of textured grass at the bottom. And if you wanted to, you could even put some leaves down here on top of the grass. And then you're done.